walked a heavy road through days that felt so slow, but still I held my breath and prayed for strength to grow. The dark would block my view, but I kept pushing through, and every silent pain became a guide so true. All the trials shaping me led me to